Hello, my name is Nicholas Stadden. I'm with Monrovia. Today we're going to talk about how to prune a Pom Hydrangea. Now, why should we prune hydrangeas at all? And the reason is because they get big quickly. And especially if they're new plants, you've got to get them to build a shape and form. And pruning is one of the ways you can do that. There are many different types of hydrangeas. The plant I have in front of me is called Moonlight. Moonlight is a new series of hydrangea which are remontant bloomers. This means they are repeat bloomers. Whenever you prune them during the growing season, that is to say, they will rebloom again for you in about 20, 24, 25 days during the growing season. Other great varieties which only bloom once a year are Buttons and Bows, Nico Blue, Merit's Beauty, Pink Elf, just to name a few. So all you need is a really good sharp set of pruners. Go down into the bush. What you're doing is looking for a suitable break just above where the leaves break, halfway. Take your pruners, sharp cut at an angle. Let me get a bigger flower here. Snip. Okay, don't throw these flowers away. You can take them indoors. They'll make excellent cuts. Remember, put them in warm water with a little bit of sugar and they'll last longer. So we're going down into the bush now, really taking away some of this new growth to help build the structure. So when the day is done, what we're trying to do is to establish form and shape, and all we need is a good set of pruners to do it.